Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to use Cash App to send Bitcoin for the first time. First, open your Cash App and make sure you're signed in. Tap the amount icon at the bottom left, then select Buy Bitcoin. If you don't have Bitcoin yet, purchase the amount you want and confirm the transaction. Once your Bitcoin is in your account, tap Send Bitcoin. Enter the amount in dollars or BTC, then add the recipient's name, cash tag, or Bitcoin address. Double check everything carefully. Next, choose a sending method. Standard, free up to 24 hours. Rush, around 2 hours, small fee. Or priority, faster, slightly higher fee. Review all details one last time, then tap Done to send. And that's it. You've successfully sent Bitcoin using Cash App for the first time. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees moving money around, Wise is one of the best ways to do it. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there. Plus, you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer up to $800 is completely free with zero fees. Create your free Wise account today using the link below.